guys, today I'm making my favorite food. It's beans curry. Here we have the beans boiling in the pressure pot. Here are the ingredients. 3 spoons of masala. Whole spices. 1 tomato. About half onion. But you peel the potatoes. Here are the potatoes. I'm going to chop some onion. Tomato. Add oil to the pot. Now I'm going to add some onions. Now I'm going to add some spices. Now we need the onions to become golden brown. A teaspoon of ginger and garlic. Our masala. Our tomatoes. We're going to let that cook for a minute. We're going to add chopped potatoes. One teaspoon of rock salt. We cover it with a lid and wait for the potato to get soft. We can add little water for the potato to cook. The potatoes are almost cooked. Let's add the beans. We're going to let this cook for 10 minutes. We're going to add thyme. One teaspoon of ghee. Ghee removes gases. Beans curry and roti and salad. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. It's tasty.